Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. I'm Tom.
Hi, Tom. Hello, friends. I am so happy to be here today.
Hi Mary, how are you doing today?
I am doing great, thanks. And you? You look very cheerful.
I am very happy. I'm excited about our topic.
Yes, it is a really good topic. It is important for everyone.
True, but before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please click the like button and share this with your friends. It helps us.
It really helps. Okay, Mary, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
Ah, that is a popular question. People ask this often.
They do, at a new job, in a class, or when meeting new people.
You are right. Sometimes it is hard to answer, so today we will help.
That sounds great. Who should start, you or me?
Why don't you start, Tom? Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn. Where should I begin? Let's start with my name. My name's Tom. T-O-M.
Nice to meet you, Tom. My name is Mary.
Nice to meet you too, Mary. Next question. Where are you from?
Good question. I am from Canada.
Canada. Wow. I'm from the United States.
The USA. Very nice. Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town. It's quiet. What about you?
I live in a big city. It is loud, but I like it.
Interesting. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment. It's cozy.
I see. I live in a house. It has a garden.
Lovely. Can I ask your age, Tom?
Sure. I'm 28 years old. And you?
I am 25 years old.
25 is a great age.
Thank you. Okay, next big question. What is your job, Tom?
I'm a teacher. I teach English here.
Of course, you are a great teacher.
Thanks. What about you? What do you do?
I am a student. I study art.
Art? That is cool. Do you like studying?
Yes, I love being creative. It's fun.
An art student and an English teacher. A good team.
I agree. Let's talk about family now.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother. His name is Mike.
Mike? Is he older than you?
He is 29, just a little older. What about you?
I have a younger sister named Anna.
Anna is a pretty name. What does she do?
She's a music student. She plays the guitar.
Wow, your family is creative too. What about your parents?
My mom is a writer. My dad is a doctor.
Amazing! My mother is a teacher and my father is a chef.
A chef? Does he cook good food?
Yes, his food is delicious.
I'm hungry now. Okay, let's talk about pets.
Do you have a pet, Tom?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Rocky.
Rocky! Is he friendly?
He's very friendly. He's a small brown dog. Do you have pets?
I have a cat. Her name is Mimi.
A cat versus a dog. Typical. What is she like?
She is black and white. She likes to sleep all day.
Sounds like a nice life. Now let's talk about favorites.
Okay, let's start with food.
What is your favorite food?
I love pasta. Spaghetti is my favorite. And you?
I love pizza, especially pepperoni.
Yummy. What about colors?
I like blue like the sky.
I like green because I love nature.
Nice choices. What about hobbies?
I like painting and reading stories.
I like playing soccer and listening to rock music.
We have different hobbies.
Yes, but that is fun. Now, what do you dislike?
I dislike spicy food. It burns my mouth.
I see. I dislike waiting in lines. It's boring.
I agree. Also, I hate waking up early in the morning.
Me too. Sleep is the best.
So we can use all these points to introduce ourselves.
Exactly. Keep it simple. Hi, I'm Tom. I like dogs and pizza.
Simple and friendly. That's the secret.
Well, our time is up. This was fun.
It really was. Listeners, please write about yourself in the comments.
Yes, tell us your name and your hobby. We want to know.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great